The belief that the world is getting worse, that we can't solve extreme poverty and disease, isn't just mistaken. It's harmful. Everyone needs a coach. It doesn't matter whether you're a basketball player, a tennis player, a gymnast, or a bridge player. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. I can understand wanting to have millions of dollars. There's a certain freedom, meaningful freedom, that comes with that. But once you get much beyond that, I have to tell you, it's the same hamburger. Television is not real life. In real life, people actually have to leave the coffee shop and go to jobs. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure.